Are you wondering why you are sending out emails and no one is opening them or no one is buying anything inside of your emails? Well, let me help you and share with you how to nurture your email list so that people are actually like open them so that they can read them and actually buy your digital products. Okay. So, all right. So, if this is your first time seeing my face in your feed, my name is Elise Michelle, and I help coaches just like you market your online coaching business without the overwhelm, right? Sounds great. And so this is today. I want to share with you how to nurture your email list so people will open and buy your product. Now, this is a question that someone sent me in my DM saying that, hey, Liz, look, like no one's opening my emails. What's happening? And I get it. Right. I was in the same spot as you. No one was opening up my emails. I was being consistent, sending out emails weekly and great content, putting offers in there and nothing, no open rate at all. Right now, it's totally different. I sell about 40% of my membership and my coaching services straight through email, and 60% of it is all through social media. So I think I sort of got the email strategy down and how to nurture your list so that they buy. And I'm going to share with you some tips on how you can get an increase in open rate so that people actually start to buy from you. All right. Okay. So enough said. Let me share with you. Okay. One, let me ask you this. Are you creating a follow-up sequence? Now you might be like, Elise, what is that? Right. So when someone opts into your freebie, there should be a series of emails that introduces you to your list or the person who opted in, right? It's like your friends. And so you want to show them how you're just a really good friend. You want to tell them a little bit about you. So in that first email that you send out, there should be an email that actually gives them what you told them that you're going to give them. So the freebie. So it's like, hey, thank you for signing up. Here's your freebie. Awesome. By the way, I'm going to send you a series of emails to let you know a little bit more to get to know me better, kind of, right? And so in that email sequence, the next email should be you introducing yourself, telling them a little bit about you. How did you get started? Maybe where you're from, if you're married, blah, blah, blah. Just like a really easy conversation with a new friend. The second email should be something like, well, it's actually the third email, but the third email would be more of you teaching something, sharing your little, your knowledge, sharing how brilliant you are, teaching them something like 3 ways on how to get open rates in your email, something like that. And then in the PS of that email, that third email, you let them know about an offer that complements the freebie that you offer them. So just in a PS, it can be, by the way, or PS, I have a new program. I have a new ebook that does this, this, and this. And it should complement the freebie that you gave them. Okay. The fourth email should be another teaching opportunity. This could be a link to a video, a YouTube video that you've done, or a Facebook Live that you've done. Maybe it's a template or some kind of free resource. Maybe it's a new checklist, something else free. But then you go in a little bit more detail about the paid offer, right? So that ebook that we mentioned earlier. So you want to go a little bit more detail, and then that fifth email is straight a promotion email. You hit them and tell them, hey, I got this great ebook on how to do blah, blah, blah. Here's the link. Go buy it. Okay. That is a follow-up sequence. That is what we call like the first tier of a follow-up sequence to sell your low dollar offer or whatever other offer that you have that complements that freebie. Okay. So just let you know, again, this is a question that someone asked me in the DM, and I thought it was really important because I know a lot of us don't talk about it. We just assume that you're going to send a series of emails, and that's not the case. But the key thing is to provide value, let them know who you are, and sprinkle your offer throughout the email as you send them out. All right. So I hope that helps with you creating a nurturing, more environment for the people who are on your email list. And then the last tip I want to say before I end this is that you should be sending out emails weekly to your list anyway. So don't just get their email, give them the freebie, maybe send them the follow-up sequence and not email them anymore, you should at least be sending an email out to them on a weekly basis so that they don't forget you. Okay. So I hope those tips help. Let me know if you have any other questions about email lists, how to build your list, how to nurture your list, anything like that. Write it down in the comment section and I will definitely address them. All right. You guys have an awesome and blessed day, and I'll be talking to you later. Peace out.